Y'all ready? Come on, go. 2, 3, go. Let's go! Relax, just pull 2 bites!
Challenge me, bro! Challenge me! Keep it clear!
Let's go! What, bro?
You got 2 options, alright? I got Messi and Ronaldo. You got to choose, alright?
Hey, too many people talking. You gotta talk one at a time.
You want to rest?
Too many people!
For rest!
Who the hell are you?
I'll kill you.
You kill me?
I'll kill you for rest.
Who the hell is this? There's too many damn people coming up to me.
What the rest?
There's too many damn people, bro.
Give me the back. I just want to rest, right? I will to rest with you.
We don't have no room to race in here, bro.
Okay.
We don't have no room, bro.
I'm on rest. You know rest? You ready? I'm on statue.
Well, we can race. Ain't nobody scared of you, homie.
Okay, no problem.
You gonna lose in a race. I promise you that. Wait. You calling me out. You calling me out, and you know you gonna lose, bro.
I know your speed. Okay? I call you speed. Go. You lose in my whole stadium. We have a rest in the Moto stadium. Okay, you are ready? You are ready for rest? Confirm ready your rest. Ready for rest? Ready? Hey, confirm. He's a police.
Let's go.
Wait. Open up.
Wait, basketball. Basketball over here?
Wait. Out the way. Go.
Hold on.
IShowSpeed.
Yeah, IShowSpeed.
I'm fighting you, bro.
Street pick? Yes. Come on. Take a street pick. Hey, chat. Like your show, bro. How do you go to the basketball hoop? How you go to the basketball hoop? How you get to the basketball hoop?
I love you, speed.
We up.
Out the way.
Street pick?
Yeah, street pick.
Bro, who the hell is Joker? We got the apple. You Joker.
Okay.
Man, what you trying to do?
Okay.
We can box, homie. We can box. We can box, bro. We can fight, man.
We can do this.
We can box, bro. If you really do that, put your life on the line. We can do that. And I promise you gonna lose, bro.
Yeah, now I'm refused.
Bring the gloves. You got gloves, baby. You got gloves. Get some gloves. Get some gloves. Could be talking like. What?
Wait, space! Step back!
The Liz boat? The Liz boat? Let's go. We gotta go. What happened? You gotta tell. Get a tell.
I need 24 to 70 now.
Did the Liz bite? The boat, bro. He broke the freaking Liz. Bro, let's go. We got him. Go. Get in the car. But don't we need the Liz, though?
I got another one.
Where?
Do back flip!
Bro, get the... Where's that? In the corner? Where's the Liz at so we can go get it? Where's the production car at?
Daryl's getting it.
Driver, can you put the windows up? Can you put it up? Yeah.